My subtopic in the chapter French Revolution is results of French Revolution. Important result of the French Revolution. Constitution of 1791. First, France became a constitutional monarchy. Second, powers of the king were separated into three institutions: the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. Third, the Constitution of 1791 vested the power to make laws in the National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. Means citizens voted for a group of electors who in turn chose the assembly. Fourth, only men above 25 years of age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of a laborer's wage were given the status of active citizen. That is, they were entitled to vote. The remaining men and all women were given the status of passive citizen, that is, they were not entitled to vote. Fifth, the Constitution of 1791 began with the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizens. Rights such as the right to life, freedom of opinion, freedom of speech, equality before the law could now be availed by each human being by birth. Some other features of the Constitution of 1791. First, reflected the Enlightenment. Second, limited monarchy now in place. Third, legislative assembly. Make laws, collect taxes, make decisions on war or peace. Fourth, protect private property and support free trade. Following are the results of the French Revolution. Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. Five rights stated in the Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizen. First, men are born free and equal in their rights. These rights are liberty, equality, and fraternity. Second, freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of press take place. Third, right to take part in government. Fourth, right to hold political office. Fifth, right to a fair trial. Here is the picture of rights such as freedom of religion, freedom of speech, freedom of the press, guaranteed property rights, liberty, equality, and fraternity, right of the people to create laws, and lastly, right to a fair trial. Liberty, equality, and fraternity is the slogan or motto of the French Revolution 1789. Reforms of Natural Convention. First, opened new schools. Second, supported ideas of universal elementary education. Third, encouraged religious toleration. Fourth, established price and wage controls to stop inflation. Fifth, adopted new metric system. Sixth, abolished slavery in France. Women Revolution. First, 60 Women Club came up. Second, the most famous club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. Third, same political rights as men. Fourth, right to vote. Fifth, to be elected in the National Assembly. Sixth, created state schools and schooling was compulsory for girls. Seventh, girls should not be forced to marry against their will. Eighth, marriage was registered under civil law. Ninth, divorce was made legal. 10th, women could now train for jobs, could become an artist or to run small businesses. 11th, women's movement for voting rights continued through next 200 years. 12th, finally in year 1946, women in France got their voting rights. Picture is about when women got their voting rights in the year 1946 in France. One other important result of the French Revolution. Feudalism was abolished. Here is the picture of abolition of feudalism. Conclusion. In short, all the important results of French Revolution. First, the French Revolution is significant for the fact that it marked the end of the institution of absolute monarchy in France and so establishment of a republic. Liberty, equality, and fraternity, which had become the guiding principles of the French Revolution, also become the foundation values of the French Republic. Third, the revolution led to the establishment of a democratic government for the first time in Europe. Fourth, feudalism as an institution was buried by the revolution, and the church and the clergy were brought under the state control. Fifth, it led to the eventual rise of the Napoleon Bonaparte as a result of Emperor of France. Sixth, it also signifies the end of ancient beliefs and political system and a qualified acceptance of the new era of industrial revolution. Seventh, it popularized the idea of nationalism. It also led to the eventual development of the welfare state. In image, the results of the French Revolution. Thank you, sir, for giving me this presentation.